The President of the International Criminal Court, Judge Sang-Hyun Song, visited northern Uganda on the 29th and 30th of May 2010.
I was always going to come here to meet with victims and engage in two-way dialogue with the people in the affected community as a whole. And for this purpose, I am probably the first ICC President who has ever visited this part of Uganda.
On the first day of his visit, President Song met with the local authorities of Gulu district, including the resident district commissioner and the chairman of Local Council 5. The President interacted with various groups of affected communities and responded to questions and concerns raised by women and youth group representatives, internally displaced people, and union representatives of people with disabilities, amongst others. About 300 people attended the outreach meeting at Gulu Town Hall.
Names of the indictees were submitted to the Parliament for approval, but up to now, it hasn't been approved, meaning Amnesty Commission can still go ahead and give amnesty to the indictees. Where are we having a breach there? Thank you.
The Rome Statute clearly stipulates that there will be no immunity whatsoever to whoever, including head of state or supreme commander of the army or whoever. So I think that the question raised in connection with blanket amnesty is out of question under the Rome Statute context.
The President also visited a Trust Fund for Victims sponsored project implemented by AVSI. This project, offering psychosocial services and capacity building assistance in northern Uganda, aims also at improving access to and quality of medical rehabilitation for disabled and disfigured victims of war through the provision of prosthetics, orthotics, and reconstructive plastic surgery.
He's so happy that the problems and challenges that he's facing, you people will help him in it. He has been involved in this incident since 2003 and up to now he has not yet been compensated. It was from the soldiers of the government. His file number is 122.
Dr. T. Command.
The doctor working is just right behind you. There's confusion at the moment. From here I got artificial limbs. And then of course they are counseling me.
This is the physiotherapy unit. What we do is we do physical rehabilitation in all aspects. Say if the clients who have been referred from after surgery, they normally have a weakness of the muscle power. We try to build the muscle power, then prepare them to be fitted the prosthesis.
So when they are given the upper limb, we train them how to use it, how to adapt, how to all things. We train them from there. Yeah.
What kind of occupations?
Actually, our main concern is if they can be able to carry out their activities of daily living.
Before concluding his visit, President Song participated in an outreach meeting at Lukodi camp, attended by internally displaced people from the surrounding villages. Participants included women and young people, representatives of community-based organisations and of unions of people with disabilities, teachers, religious and local leaders, and media representatives.
On the 19th of May 2004, we had a terrible thing that happened here. The rebel of the LRA on that day came here and caused a lot of suffering, killing people in several ways by burning, maiming them, killing them, like burning people in their house, and also planting landmines. On that day, the total number of people who died were 56. And many were abducted. Up to now, we don't know where they are.
I am heartbroken to see the drama that so realistically depicted all the wars and atrocities that you experienced and suffered.
After his visit to the district of Gulu, President Song attended the review conference of the Rome Statute held in Kampala. This is the first review conference after the adoption of the Rome Statute on 1st of July 2002 and the first opportunity for the state's parties to make amendments.